in this video I'll show you how to fix in case the screen that you're using with your PS5 is flickering. Take your controller, go into the settings of your PS5, settings, then go down. We need to select screen and video. Once you have selected this, select the first option, should be video output. Then go down and then you're going to see video transfer rate right over here. This is if you have a 4K TV. This TV is not 4K. This is why it's grayed out. But if you have a 4K TV, click here, open these settings, and you'll be able to choose between -1, -2. Go ahead and select -2 in the small list on the right side. And this should solve your problem because as it says here, adjust the transfer rate of 4K video output if your screen flickers. Try to select -1 or -2 to limit the transfer rate. So PlayStation knew about this issue and it tells you right here that this is what you need to do to solve it. If you're still having issues, you need to go down in the same menu, I didn't go anywhere else, and select HDR here. I suggest if it was turned on to turn it off, wait about 2 seconds and then turn it back on again. Sometimes this is simply a reset of the HDR feature and maybe this was causing the issue. If you're still having a problem with your screen flickering, I suggest you turn off your PS5. Okay, I'm going to turn it off by pressing the PS button. Then go right here where it says power, turn off, wait a few seconds. Once the PS5 is completely shut down, go in the back, disconnect the HDMI cable and disconnect the power cable as well. Now we need to do a power drain. It will not reset anything, but it's just a way to drain every bit of power left in the console. You're going to press the power button during 30 seconds. Even if everything is disconnected, don't worry, this will just drain the power. After 30 seconds, release your finger, and now it's time to reconnect. So what I suggest now is obviously connect the power cable. And the HDMI cable, go in the back of your TV and switch it to another HDMI port. Maybe the problem is actually your TV and not your PS5. So once, let's say it was an HDMI 1, just switch it to HDMI 2. Go ahead, connect the other end in your PS5. And power it on the same way you usually do. And hopefully after doing these steps, you're gonna solve your problem. If you have any other tricks on how to stop the flickering going on, please type a comment down below, or if one of these tricks work, please type a comment as well, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.